Uno Quantum Entanglement, how to play. This is a custom rule variant for the original Uno. All the rules are the same except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. You may only play with 6, 8, or 10 players. You are considered quantumly entangled with the player across from you. The player across from you is defined as the player who is an equal number of turns away from you in both directions. On your turn, the player who is entangled with you is allowed to play any legal card from their hand out of turn, skipping you and all the other players in between. If they do, play then continues to the next player in the current direction of play from the entangled player who skipped you. If they skip you with a reverse, then the direction changes from them. Entangled players are not on a team. If both entangled players play at the same time, then the first one of them to get the card down keeps it there, and the other takes theirs back. If a player plays a card out of turn with a player they aren't entangled with, or plays an incorrect card, then they must take that card back into their hand and draw one penalty card. If neither you nor the player entangled with you can play, then the player whose turn it is the one who draws the penalty card, not both of the players. The entangled player does not have to play if they don't want to. The first player to play all their cards wins.